Welcome to Uttermind. Talking to Strangers, Master the Art of Conversation. The book, Talking to Strangers, What We Should Know About the People We Don't Know, by Malcolm Gladwell, is a fascinating exploration of the ways in which we interact with strangers and the potential consequences of those interactions. Published in 2019, the book offers insight into how our perceptions of strangers can lead to misunderstandings and even dangerous situations. Here are some of the key takeaways from the book and how they can be applied in our daily lives. Number 1. The importance of understanding the default to truth bias. The book explains that we have a natural tendency to believe that strangers are telling the truth, even when there is evidence to the contrary. By understanding this bias, we can be more skeptical of the information provided by strangers and make more informed decisions. Number 2. The power of context in understanding behavior. The book explains that our understanding of a stranger's behavior is heavily influenced by the context in which it occurs. By being aware of the context, we can make more accurate judgments about the behavior of strangers. Number 3. The importance of understanding the transparency illusion. The book explains that we often believe we can understand the true intentions of strangers based on their behavior, when in reality, their behavior may not be an accurate indicator of their true intentions. By understanding this illusion, we can be more aware of the limitations of our understanding of strangers. Number 4. The role of nonverbal cues in communication. The book explains that nonverbal cues, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, can provide important information about the intentions and emotions of strangers. By paying attention to these cues, we can gain a deeper understanding of the people we interact with. Number 5. The potential dangers of overly relying on technology. The book explains that technology, such as social media, can create a false sense of familiarity with strangers and lead to misunderstandings and dangerous situations. By being aware of the limitations of technology and its impact on our interactions with strangers, we can make more informed decisions. Number 6. The importance of being aware of our own biases. The book explains that our own biases and prejudices can greatly impact our interactions with strangers. By being aware of our own biases, we can make more informed decisions and avoid misunderstandings. Number 7. The importance of active listening. The book explains that active listening is an important skill in understanding the perspectives and intentions of strangers. By actively listening, we can gain a deeper understanding of the people we interact with. Number 8. The importance of being open-minded. The book explains that being open-minded is essential in understanding the perspectives and intentions of strangers. By being open-minded, we can avoid misunderstandings and build deeper connections with the people we interact with. Number 9. The importance of being aware of cultural differences. The book explains that cultural differences can greatly impact our interactions with strangers. By being aware of these differences, we can avoid misunderstandings and build deeper connections with people from other cultures. Number 10. The importance of empathy. The book explains that empathy is essential in understanding the perspectives and intentions of strangers. By putting ourselves in the shoes of others, we can gain a deeper understanding of their perspectives and intentions. Some practical tips that you can use to implement the lessons from Talking to Strangers into your daily life include: be more skeptical of information provided by strangers, especially if it seems too good to be true. Pay attention to the context in which you are interacting with strangers, and try to understand how it may be influencing their behavior. Be more aware of the limitations of your understanding of strangers, and try not to make assumptions based on their behavior. Pay attention to nonverbal cues, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, to gain a deeper understanding of the intentions and emotions of strangers. Be mindful of the impact that technology, such as social media, can have on your interactions with strangers, and try to use it in moderation. Be aware of your own biases and prejudices, and try to be more open-minded when interacting with strangers. Practice active listening, and try to understand the perspectives and intentions of strangers from their point of view. Be mindful of cultural differences, and try to understand how they may be impacting your interactions with strangers. Practice empathy, and try to put yourself in the shoes of others to gain a deeper understanding of their perspectives and intentions. In conclusion, Talking to Strangers is an engaging and insightful book that provides valuable insights into the ways in which we interact with strangers and the potential consequences of those interactions. These insights can help us build deeper connections with the people we interact with and improve our communication skills. By applying these lessons to our daily lives, we can become more effective communicators, build stronger relationships, and navigate the complexities of interacting with strangers in a more positive and productive way. Overall, the book, Talking to Strangers, is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their communication skills and navigate the complexities of interacting with strangers in a more positive and productive way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Uttermind.